YouTubers. Today is a, what day is it today? I think it's like November 4th, Monday, 2013. And today I have finally found an adapter right here to this keyboard, Yamaha keyboard. I don't know what model it is. You can see the model information there. Yes, this is a very expensive keyboard. I think it was over $160 or something like that. I don't remember. As you can see, it's really dusty. As you can see, very, very dusty. Pretty much everywhere on the piano. Even the keys, you can see dirt collecting all in there and all under there. And it plays fine. But I don't know how to play piano. So I'm going to learn, I think. And basically I just wanted to show YouTubers that, turn it off, that, yeah, this is the piano that I plan on, keyboard that I plan on learning on. YPT 220. I think maybe that's the model. I think, perhaps. So yeah, we're going to clean this up. I have here some Windex multi-surface antibacterial. Whoa. Oops. This should get some of the dust off. I have a white rag. It won't be white once when I'm done with it, though. And I also have another rag here somewhere. Here it is. And I'm going to use this one to wipe it down with the Windex. But first, we are going to get the dust off. So we're just going to start simple and just wipe it down real nice. Wow, was that on there? Wow, that's nasty. I don't know if that was already on the rag or not. Might be like a bleach stain or something. Yeah, these keys are filthy, filthy, filthy. We're just going to wipe the top here first. Just get all this dust off here. All this dust around here. And excuse my voice, it's kind of like messed up right now. I have like a semi-sore throat. Not really a sore throat, but just something's wrong with my voice right now. I don't quite know what it is. So yeah, we're just going to wipe this thing. And by the way, this video is unscripted. It's not planned. I just wanted to grab my camera and record something. So yeah, just for people's enjoyment. I find videos like this very relaxing and easy videos to just fall asleep on or something. So feel free to take a nap. There we go. That's pretty dirty. Look at that. That is pretty filthy. This rag was pretty white before I used it. But yeah, these keys are quite dirty, and they're hard to get under. They're hard. You can see just to get in there. So we're gonna use some of this Windex stuff. Now I don't know if it's safe to get spray in the keys, but I think it's okay. By the way, I don't have a camera stand, so I'm only using one hand. I'm just gonna lay this right here, and I'm just gonna spray the towel, and then I'm gonna wipe it. Keep that sticker on there. Tangent transmission. I don't know if that's like a band or something. Tangent, sorry, transmission. But yeah, I think that's like it wasn't on there when I got this thing. Now this is quite old. My older brother actually gave it to me before he moved out. And I think he got it a few years before he moved out. He bought this thing, I think at Guitar Center, or it might have been, Target or something, I don't know. but he bought this and he kind of mastered it. I mean, he learned on this thing how to play. Oh wow, this key's really dirty. Look at that. Look at all that dirt that's collected right there. Filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Let's see if I could just scrub under there. It's much better. Still quite dirty though. Okay. But yeah, he bought this a while back and gave it to me when he moved out because he didn't have room for it in his small apartment. See the dirt along there, like all this here, all this. Look at that. That's pretty filthy. That's actually really, really dirty. So I'm just gonna get in there like so. Just wipe. Like there. This is actually going to take a while. I'm probably not going to be able to fit this entire. Look at all this dust here. Yeah, I won't be able to clean this thing in one video, but I'll just clean that off camera. Wow, that is nasty. I can't. That little piece of dust there, I can't get off. You can see all that. It's like spider webs or something. All right here and here. Oh wow, that's quite nasty. Ugh. So you can see this just dust. It's disgusting. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have done this on my bed. That was probably a mistake. But yeah, I'm probably gonna need more of this stuff. I'm just gonna spray the keys, whatever. I don't know if that's safe or not, but I'm just gonna take a chance. Yeah, but once when he gave it to me, he didn't give me the adapter. I think it's just an AC adapter. So I couldn't exactly play it because, well, I didn't have a plug. So it's been under my bed for the past 4 or 5 months collecting dust. I think bugs have laid nests. Yeah, this is pretty disgusting. Pretty disgusting. Okay, well that's much better than it was before. I'm gonna have to get like a Q-tip or something and get in there in those crevices. Okay. My voice feels really bad. Again, excuse me for my voice. I've been kind of sick lately, and I haven't been feeling very well. And you can see in there so much dirt. All right here. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get like a Q-tip to get all in there. As you can see, the dirt is just collected all along that line. Look at all that. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. But keys feel much better now. Let's turn it on. Okay. Oops. Okay. So yeah, this thing is pretty cool. You can see all the different instruments you can use: organ, bass, strings, synth, flute, brass. As you can see, I'll just like do 55. That's like a horn, trombone. I think this is synth brass, I think. Here's recorder. bottle. Shakichi, I think. Oh, I don't know what that is. Is that shak? I don't know. Probably some Asian flute of some sorts. It sounds a little like old samurai movie, kind of. Ocarina. I love the sound of an ocarina. Square. Saw. Okay. But yeah, you could just go on. Let me just go like to 100 and woodblock. Oh wow. This thing also has a lot of songs in there too. Like this one here. A little loud, let me turn that down. It has more. Press start. And then it starts the song. That sounds pretty nice actually. It has really good speakers. Like, I mean, they're pretty high quality. That's why I'm thinking that this thing was over. I don't even know how much like a really good one costs. This is probably not even the best you can get. This has like a. This reminds me of like an old 1990s romance scene on like Yu Yu Hakusho or Rurouni Kenshin. You'll just hear this, and then you'll have the girl, the sunset is coming down, like the sun's coming down. It's all orange everywhere. And the girl has blush all over her face. She's like blushing, and the guy's like, "Oh, I love you." Oh, we can play along. What do you guys think? Okay, I think that's gonna be it. This was quite some fun. I'm gonna clean this thing up a bit more. There's still dirt all over these keys. Look at that. I'm gonna have to like scrub this thing. Yeah, there's another song. This is a bit of a classic here, I believe. Wow. Oh wow. I don't think I like that song. But yeah, I'm just gonna... Wow. I'm just gonna clean this thing up, and I might show you YouTubers another video. I don't have any subscribers, and I think I had like 5 views on my last video I made. But I'm just gonna make random videos for you guys. Yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more completely random videos. I might eventually... Well, they have like over hundreds of songs, I believe. Okay, I'm done here. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Thumbs up too. If you give me a thumbs up, I'll know to make more videos. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you another time. And sorry for kind of the bad qualityness of this video. This is like only the second video I've ever made, so excuse me there. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, later.